episode of Snips Happen. Today I am here with the Ease Timeless and Teal 102 page collection that we will be using for the Scrapbooking with Me Mass Make March. Your hashtag is here. I will try. Hold on. Oh, let me bring it up closer so that you can snap a picture of it. I will also leave it on the screen like I normally do so that you can have the, like I'll leave it on the screen like with my little bear like I do. Today is the last day for this that you can get it on the early bird special for $8.99. It also is print and ship on sale. I'm not sure the price, but I will leave both links in the description. I will also leave my code and name down below, so if you want to grab anything in the shop that is junk journal related, you can, and use my code because it will make my little paper heart happy. But these pages are phenomenal. They look like they've been painted, which is really cool, and I love the colors. I'm going to, I don't know, mass make with them. I don't know if I'm going to make a journal with them or I'm just going to mass make things to put in my collection. Time will tell what I'm going to do with them. But yes, I'm sorry I have not made a long video for the month of February. I was doing 2 lives a month. And I do have the projects. I will be doing flip throughs of the projects so that you can see what I made for the month. I do want to know, do you prefer the flip throughs or do you prefer me making the projects and you can do the projects along with me? I'm struggling with that. I'm on the struggle bus with that. So this is my favorite. I love that. Yes. So with that being said, if you would leave a comment down below and let me know how you want for me to go forward, that would be greatly appreciated. I love that too. I want to do something with that, and I'm not sure what I want to do with it. Yes. I love the peel paint look. I definitely love the peel paint look. If you love florals, you love spring, this is the kit for you. Yes. And it's not a kit that you just have to use in March. You can use it anytime. You'll grab for pieces of it. Like, yeah, you will definitely grab for pieces of it whenever you're doing whatever you're doing. I printed single-sided as I always do because I never know what I'm going to use it for. And you know, I was just going to put this to music, but I thought, hey, I can chitty chat with my friends. These here, I was thinking about using some resin on those and making them resin. If that's something you want me to see me do, let me know, because yes. So those are your backgrounds. Yes, there is a lot of backgrounds. Miss E went above and beyond with this. Yes. Oh, speaking of Miss E, she's out of commission right now. So if you all would go over and watch some of her older videos to keep her in the algorithm, I would love that for her. If you could do that, I would appreciate it so much. And she would appreciate you too for doing that. These are the backgrounds. I don't remember what you call these, but these are some of my favorites too. These here, you can print on the back of these if you wanted to. But then again, who knows what I'm going to be using them for. But I love this layered look. Like this here, I love this. So yeah, I have so, like, these are screaming clusters for me. Clusters. So that might be what I might make some clusters with them. Like, I love this book page here. Yeah. I love that. I don't know why I have allergies in the middle of winter, but yeah, I have some of those. Like this part here. I love this. I love these edges here. Yeah. That would make a nice belly band. Yep, it sure would. This reminds me of denim. Ooh. These are nice writable pages. Like if you were going to make a journal and want writable pages, this would be perfect for that. I love that. I love that. This here screams label. I love this one too. I love like the blue here and then the torn look here and then this on there. Yes. Yes, please and thank you. That book page. And that book page. Yes, yes. So tell me down below, have you already purchased this? If you haven't, let me know if you're gonna go grab it. I love this. The worn book. The worn books, yes. I love books. I love reading. Those are so pretty. I know, I've been posting this all over the place and I haven't shown it. You know I'm a day late and a dollar short. I always end. I love this one too. That's one of my favorites. Well, I keep saying that's one of my favorites. This whole kit is my favorite. This whole kit. There's a lot of neutrals in it. I love the neutrals. Well, my printer didn't want to play fair with that one. It gave me a half of one. Look, I think you can get the gist of what that one looks like. Printer's not playing fair again. It had an El Frizzo moment. I'm sure when you print it out, you'll have a whole page there. I'm sure of it. Okay, that is the other papers that go with this. And now we're going to get to the good stuff. This is the piece that everybody loves. Oh, I didn't mean to hit the camera. I'm sorry about that. This is your ephemera bundle. This is tags, large tags, pockets, even larger tags, tags, some flags, belly bands, a pocket, some flags, tags, whale tails, stamps, pockets. These are fun to play with, like to layer on. These are file folders, another file folder and pockets, envelopes, file folders, these are index cards, pockets and tags, larger tags. These are Missy's favorite tags, and these are more tags, and even more tags. And guess what? There's more tags. And then there's an envelope. I believe that is could be a coin envelope. And then there's another envelope. Oh, and guess what? You're not gonna run out of tags because there's more tags. And stamps. And journaling cards. And some more journaling cards. Oh, and guess what? There's more journaling cards. And then there's some pockets. This one here would make a nice layered pocket. And then there's some more pockets. And then there's another like fancy page where you can make whatever you want to make with it. But these are a new type of envelope, and you have a window here that you can cut out and you can make a window pocket. I want to play around with those. And there is that one, and then that one, and that one. And that is your Timeless Ease Timeless Teal. Right now, at the timing of this video, it is February 28th. This goes off sale at 12 Central Standard Time, which is Miss E's time, and it will go back to the original price. You can still get it at 20% off after it goes off sale. You will not get it for $1.99, which is a bargain. But you can always use Terra 20 if you cannot get it today and you have to wait to get it. And I just wanted to show you what I will be working with for Mass Make March. I hope that you come and join us for Mass Make March. You can use the hashtag and we will see your work. The whole team is participating. Miss E will be participating, and I just want to thank you for being here and for sticking by me. And if you want to say hello, I would love to hear from you down in the comments, and I want to thank you for snipping by.